When opportunity knocks.
You got the thing. Look at this. This is dope. Sound system and everything. Look at it. If I'm not mistaken, I think it has 1776 in it. 1776 convertible, you know, all the good stuff. Has like a military kind of vibe to it. I dig it. I dig it. You guys gotta be impressed by the next selection I'm making instead of the building Bertha too. Not to be too on horn. Uh-oh. First time riding the thing. Okay, let me see if I can get my leg up.
Like a bathtub.
Oh yeah.
Don't worry about a thing.
Oh yeah.
Is that a coincidence?
Yeah, that's coincidence too. That's I seen that. I just noticed that. Don't worry about a thing. Oh, I see it now. After the fact. Oh, right there. That's the handle. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this thing that fast. So you might get a kick out of what I was thinking about getting too. It's a like turned it out, says like a dune buggy, but it's not like nothing I ever seen before. It's kind of trippy. It ain't like I don't think it's gonna be like this. That's a little power right there. Look at that power plant he got up under there. I must have made maybe 17. Something. It must be something big, cause bigger than stock. Cause you don't put that pulley tension on there for no reason. Right?
Yeah.
See, I was just me guessing because I don't know. I know I remember this stuff, but everything I thought was what I thought was a 1835 one time that I bought was not an 1835. So I paid way too much for a 16 with a small cam because I didn't know no better. Then my boy put a bigger cam in, and I was like, "Oh, you put a bigger pistons, all that? Nope, still a 16." I think I saw that. Right here, and lock it down. Yeah, this is dope. So I rode, that was my first bus ride with that kind of bus, Combi bus, that kind of fly bus, and my first time riding in the thing. It's an experience already with the top down. But once you take that wheel shit off, woo, it turns into something totally different. It turns into something totally different. Oh, shoot. Oh, crap. Oh, yeah, wait. So it runs on an amp, too?
Yeah.
The system?
Yeah. That's all it run on. Ain't no radio in it.
Ain't no radio, so it's a switch, amp, speakers,
Yeah.
and your head unit, which is your...
It's just a phone.
Just your phone?
Yeah.
Okay, I got to do that.
How you roll the windows up.
Oh, that's how you roll the windows up? Oh, crap.
Bam.
Bam. That's cool right there.
I got the little bazooka tool hitting right there.
Oh, wait, so the bass wasn't coming from back there?
Nope. Crazy, huh?
I thought the bass was coming...
Ain't nothing back there.
So nothing was back... Wait. Okay, see? I just learned something totally new right now. I just learned something new.
Hat tricks.
Yeah, hat trick. I swear. A hat trick. You just put it... Look. He had a rabbit under the hat. Dang. This is trippy.
Roll the window back.
Oh, yeah, roll the window back down. Yeah, and if anybody wants to follow, you know, because sometimes you get a project that's sitting around and he might ready to, you know, it don't last very long. But follow him on Instagram at VW Spot. And he got something up, you better hurry up and jump on it. Because if you don't jump on it immediately, it will be immediately gone. Don't get your feelings, don't get your hopes set up, or wait till next payday, or your cousin to get you whatever. Better have the money, because they go fast. And there ain't no hard feelings or nothing. It's just stuff don't last. Especially with this Volkswagen stuff now. It's just a little bit harder to get stuff, and people holding on to the parts tighter and tighter.
Burnout before
Oh,
my
yeah.
wife gets in.
Uh-oh.
Blame it on you.
I'm gonna take that too. I'll take that. Yeah, you can't come on miles no more. What happened? See, and I don't know if y'all seen it. The front of the house, it's like it looked like. It's I don't know. It looked like a museum piece or something. I don't know. I ain't never seen nothing like that. It went over my head. I was like, wow. Yeah. So his thought don't only go into his cars. It goes into his house and everything else. And you see kind of his car selection. So you already know. He's thinking above and beyond. Cause y'all seen it some. I mean, if I looked at the last videos that I had posted with him, you seen all the stuff. So. Just in case you want to re-see everything. It's always some work getting done here. So
Hear something?
yeah, some sound feisty.
Baby boy.
Oh shoot. That thing sound good
How you
too.
doing, brother?
1490. So let me just scan it over.
So I'm gonna keep on walking. I was supposed to cut film, but you know what? I'm gonna keep it running. What's up, man? That thing sound good. He must have just got done with getting dirty.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
At work.
Yeah. What's up with you, man?
Yeah.
Shit, that thing sounds snappy, brother.
I like that.
Man, look at this. Oh, I like this. I like it. Just that rat look with the cool. Oh, the rims are killing the game. I love those. So nice. I like it. Cause you don't expect this. You don't expect it to look like. It got a little something under there. I ain't gonna tell you what it is. That's not my business. That's not my business. That ain't even your business. This is a new transition too, so it's really dope. Cause he took two styles. Cause you know, some people build the bugs. They stance them and they let them, or they rat them, or they go put a big motor in it and kind of just, you know, got a certain style. So he took a combination of all the styles and threw them all in one. That's so dope. Nice. I just can't have $10,000 just sitting there.